BJP versus CJP, an unprecedented state of unrest in India, as thousands of students and young demonstrators had chosen to gather in Jantar Mantar in New Delhi and then march past towards the parliament in the form of humongous protest. As they are protesting on the paper leaks of their NEET, the medical examination of India, and are subsequently demanding for an immediate resignation of the Union Education Minister of India. But lately, the protest has morphed itself into something uglier and quite monstrous, as the administrative and enforcement agencies of India, particularly the policemen in blue, have beaten charged the young protesters and the students that have led to a petition filed in the Supreme Court of India. But what was the immediate response, the reaction of Chief Justice of India and the remaining judges and justices that were settled there on that bench and were hearing this petition? And what kind of disappointment did these students, the young protesters, the demonstrators had felt, as a greater amount of facts have been unfolded regarding the leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Do not waste our time and yours. Follow the procedure, go and play in a lower court. There is no need for an apex court intervention. We are not going to accept the video recordings or tapes that are detrimental or testament of the police brutalities on the young demonstrators and students. That was somehow the implication of the argument built by the Chief Justice of India, as it was in his response when he had seen the brutalities of police in the videotape that was filed along with the petition in Supreme Court of India. But what has been its consequences? How do these young protesters, the future generations of India, perceive such statements and brutalities of the administrative and enforcement agencies of India, of the governing party, and of the apex court of India? So keeping in consideration all these dynamics and the redundancy of each and every institution that prevails or works in the state of India, the young demonstrators, the future generations and posterity of India, which comprises more than 40% of its population, is of the view that Chief Justice, that the apex court or any kind of institution has become extremely redundant, and they have actually lost a belief in the power and in the efficiency of the apex court, that is the Supreme Court of India.